Hi, I'm Gretchen Rivas with Relaxed Massage Therapy in Wilmington, North Carolina, and today we're going to talk about tips for massaging women. For this you will need a table, some oil, and some space. Now when you're working on a woman, a lot of it's going to depend upon what type of body style she has and what kind of body frame. Some women are very skinny and thin and fragile, prone towards osteoporosis. And so you don't want to do any kind of deep pressure on someone like that you could cause any bone breakage. But if somebody has some good muscle tension and good muscle fiber working for them, then you can do a little bit deeper work on them. And oftentimes some very thin women are very tense and have a lot of tenseness in their muscles, so you can work on that, but just be careful around the bony structures of the body. So when you're working on a woman, you want to make sure you're checking in with her on pressure and asking her, on a scale of 1 to 10, how things are. Like 1 is she can't feel it, and 10 is take me to the hospital. You don't want to get her to that point. So checking on a number scale is always helpful, because that way you want to stay within about a 5 to 6 range on somebody when you're working on them. And when you're working on women too, just stroke through. And of course, a lot of it depends on how well you know the person. If somebody you're really close to, you can probably cross barriers that you may not cross with somebody you don't know very well. If you're working on someone you don't know very well, always keep them draped and protect their modesty, especially if you're working in the anterior portion of the body. Make sure there's a breast drape and that you're not making them feel violated or exposed in any way. And then the main thing is to just work within their pain tolerance and make sure you're not causing them a lot of pain, and do some nice even strokes. And don't be afraid to get in there, but check with them on the pressure and get a lot of feedback when you're working on them. And those are some tips for working and doing massage on women.